got to know from Chitti that our spaceship has travelled 2/5 of the required distance for the first 10 hours and 3/7 of the required distance in the next 10 hours.
How much of the required distance is to be covered still?
To find out the remaining distance that the spaceship is yet to travel, we have to add the covered distance and subtract the total from 1. But to solve this problem, we should know addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Let us ask Chitti to teach addition and subtraction of unlike fractions.
In this session, we will learn about addition of unlike fractions, addition of mixed numbers, subtraction of unlike fractions, subtraction of mixed numbers, and application problems. In your previous class, you learned how to add or subtract like fractions. To add or subtract unlike fractions, we have to convert them first into like fractions. We can convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by finding their equivalent fractions. There are some steps to be followed. Let me explain with an example. Add 2 by 3 and 3 by 7. Step 1. Obtain the fractions and the denominators. Here, the denominators are 3 and 7. Step 2. Find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Step 3. Convert each fraction into an equivalent fraction having its denominator equal to the LCM obtained in step 2. We got LCM of 7 and 3 as 21. Now to convert 2 by 3 into the equivalent fraction having 21 as its denominator, we multiply both denominator and numerator by 7. Now, the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 with 21 as its denominator is 14 by 21. Similarly, converting 3 by 7 to its equivalent fraction having 21 as its denominator, we get 9 by 21. Step 4. Add the like fractions obtained in step 3. Adding 2 by 3 and 3 by 7 is the same as adding 14 by 21 and 9 by 21. Now, 14 by 21 and 9 by 21 are like fractions. So, we add the numerator of the fractions, we get 23 by 21. Therefore, the sum of 2 by 3 and 3 by 7 is 23 by 21. Now it's your turn. Add 3 by 8 and 1 by 2.
The LCM of denominators 8 and 2 is 8. So, we convert the given fractions into equivalent fractions with denominator 8. The denominator of 3 by 8 is 8. Now, the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 with the denominator 8 is 4 by 8. Now, adding 3 by 8 and 1 by 2 is same as adding 3 by 8 and 4 by 8. Thus, 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 equals to 7 by 8.
Good! Now look at this example. Add 2 4 by 5 and 3 5 by 6. Now these are mixed numbers. How can we add these mixed numbers? Mixed numbers can be added after converting them into improper fractions. Convert 2 4 by 5 into improper fraction.
Multiplying 2 and 5 and adding 4 with that, we get the numerator of the improper fraction. And the denominator of the improper fraction is the denominator of the fractional part of mixture number. Therefore, improper fraction of 2 4 by 5 is 14 by 5.
Good. What is the improper fraction of 3 5 by 6?
Improper fraction of 3 5 by 6 is 23 by 6.
Good. Now add 2 4 by 5 and 3 5 by 6 is same as adding the improper fraction 14 by 5 and 23 by 6. Now add the improper fractions 14 by 5 and 23 by 6.
To add the improper fractions, we have to convert them into the equivalent fractions with the common denominator. To do so, first we have to find the LCM of 5 and 6. The LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Now, the equivalent fraction of 14 by 5 with the denominator 30 is 84 by 30. Similarly, the equivalent fraction of 23 by 6 with the denominator 30 is 115 by 30.
Let me continue. Now 84 by 30 and 115 by 30 are like fractions. Therefore, their sum is 199 upon 30. Again, we can convert this improper fraction into mixed number by dividing 199 by 30. When we divide 199 by 30, we get the quotient as 6 and remainder 19. Therefore, the mixed number of 199 upon 30 is 6 19 by 30.
That's the correct answer, Akash. Let me summarize the procedure for adding mixed numbers. First, convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then, convert the improper unlike fractions into like fractions. Now, add the like fractions. Again, convert the improper fractions into mixed number.
We have understood, Chitti. So now, subtraction of the fractions will be similar to addition of fractions, isn't it? Shall we try one problem in subtraction of mixed numbers?
Sure. Subtract 2 5 by 6 from 8 1 by 4.
Both the given fractions are in mixed number form. First, we have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fraction. Therefore, the improper fraction of 8 1 by 4 is 33 by 4. And the improper fraction of 2 5 by 6 is 17 by 6.
Now, to subtract these two improper unlike fractions, we have to convert them into like fractions of equivalent fractions by finding their LCM. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So we convert each of the fractions into equivalent fraction with denominator 12. Equivalent fraction of 33 by 4 having denominator 12 is 99 by 12. And equivalent fraction of 17 by 6 having denominator 12 is 34 by 12. Now, subtracting 2 5 by 6 from 8 1 by 4 is same as subtracting 34 by 12 from 99 by 12. The difference of these two fractions is 65 by 12. Again, converting this improper fraction into mixed number, we get 5 by 12. Dad just got some sweets. He told me that he gave 1 by 3 to mom and 2 by 5 to his colleagues.
How much of the sweet has he given?
It can be found by adding 1 by 3 and 2 by 5.
First, find the LCM of the denominators, that is 3 and 5, which is 15. Convert 1 by 3 and 2 by 5 into equivalent fractions with denominator 15. Since they are like fractions, we can add the numerators, which give the solution as 11 by 15.
Chitty, help me out with this problem. Yesterday I bought ribbon which was 5 3 by 4 meters in length. Mom cut some part of it and the length of the part was 2 by 3 meters. What is the length of the ribbon remaining? First, convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions.
Find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Then convert them into equivalent fractions with denominator 12. The equivalent fraction of 23 by 4 with a denominator of 12 is 69 by 12. Similarly, the equivalent fraction of 8 by 3 with a denominator of 12 is 32 by 12.
Now subtract the like fractions. Therefore, 69 by 12 minus 32 by 12 is equal to 37 by 12.
Now you can solve our spaceship problem.
Sure, it travelled 2/5 of the required distance for the first 10 hours and 3/7 of the required distance in the next 10 hours. The total distance travelled can be found by adding 2 by 5 and 3 by 7, which equals 29 by 35.
The remaining distance can be found by subtracting 29 by 35 from 1, which equals 6 by 35.
In this lesson, we learn about addition of unlike fractions, addition of mixed numbers, subtraction of unlike fractions, subtraction of mixed numbers, and application problems. Hope you understood all the concepts.
Yes, we understood the operations addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Thank you, Chitty. Bye.
Bye.